This is section 4, number 4. You're going to identify and you're going to complete each congruency statement by naming the corresponding angles or sides. Okay, this is very easy because it gives us the image here. So it says angle G, which is right here, and you notice that it uses 3 marks. So we just have to look at the one here with also 3 marks. So angle G is congruent to angle L. All right, this also works because take a look. This is in the 3rd spot, so L is also in the 3rd spot. All right, let's look at MN. MN is right here. And if you take a look at the line, it passes through the 1 mark. So we also want to go through the 1 mark here. Okay. And that is FE. So we can say that line FE is congruent to line MN. Let's look at B here. It says angle Y. Angle Y looks like it has 3 marks. Okay. And then we also want to look at this because this also has 3 marks. Right? So angle Y is congruent to angle M. Then we have line LK, which is right here, which is 1 mark. That's also going to be congruent to the other one that also has 1 mark. Okay, which is its same of LK. Angle and number C, letter C. Angle E, where's angle E here? This has 2 marks. So we have to go to this one where it has 2 marks. And that is angle I. Then we have FJ. Where's FJ? FJ is right here. This goes 3 marks. So it is congruent to this one that also has 3 marks, which is JH. JH. There you go. So that is how we fill in the congruency statements based on the corresponding angles and sides.